Okay, we've talked about the templates, we've talked about the charts. Let's talk about keys. That's the last one. This is the easiest one to set up, I think. So you just, that plus sign again. And so here's our plus sign. You'll see key as an option. You find the page that has your key on it. What page was that on? Is that 2? I can't remember now. Yep. Maybe. No. Try again. If that happens, you just click the close. Nope, I lied. You don't click close. Now I have to go back into my pattern. That's okay. Oh, I labeled it practice, not by its actual name. Even the teacher makes mistakes. Something I emphasize heavily in my classroom as well. So going into that setup tab, plus sign. Actually, before I go to that plus sign, I'm going to check which page my key is actually in. Probably somewhere around my chart. That would make sense. Aha! There we go. All right, page 6. All right, so here we go. Plus sign, key. Go to the page that it's actually on, page 6. There's that purple arrow again telling you, hey, I'm ready. All right, so I'm going to highlight. And I'm not going to highlight the one that says key to chart symbols. I'm just going to highlight my actual key. So I'm going to highlight within my key here. And there's quite a lot of my key here. So I've got to go over 2 whole columns. Quite a ways down. All right. And sometimes you'll have to label it like key for chart A, key for chart B, because sometimes they will switch up the keys on you depending on the pattern. This one, I think it's just got the one key for everything, which is nice. So you don't need to really label it. You can just label it key. Yeah, so, and then when you go back to knitting, you'll see when you click this little key right here, your key pops up here, so you can kind of scroll down when you see, oh, what does that triangle mean? Oh, what is that 3 above 2? And then you can pop in to your abbreviations, which you can also copy as a key. If you're like, oh, what is that abbreviation? Oh, why am I trying to stop that? Sorry. You can copy that abbreviation as well as a key if you need that abbreviation. It's like, what is, oh, 3 above 2, 3 over 2, make 2 stitches out of 3. Oh, okay, and then that'll help remind you. So you can either go back to that page or you can make it as a key itself as a reminder. So something you can kind of work into, something kind of handy. Just kind of a handy little guy.